Here's how to add a clickable link inside of Canva. So first you want to come down to the text at the bottom here and then select add a text box. So let's go ahead and change the text to something else. I'm going to change it to click me just as like an example. You can change it to whatever you want. Next, what we want to do is actually tap off of the text like so, and then go ahead and retap the text. And from here, we want to select the three dots in the bubble right here. Then we want to select where it says link. And now we can add a link to this text. So let's say we want it to go to google.com for an example. If we go ahead and click on where it says apply, now we can see that it says link has been added, and we can see that there's actually an underline on that text. So if we go ahead and actually click the share button at the top and then scroll to where it says present, like so, go ahead and tap on that. Now if we actually click on this link, it's going to actually open up the link that we set it to. So first it's going to ask if you want to leave Canva, click on where it says continue to external site, and then there it is. It took me straight to google.com, which is the link that I had it set to. Now we can actually go ahead and tap on this text right here. And let's say we want to actually remove this underline that it created. What we can do is go over to the format button right here. We can actually go ahead and remove that underline if we want by clicking the underline button right here. And then let's exit out of that. So now if we tap off the text, we can see that there is no underline on the link. But if we go back up to the share button and then go to the present button right here, now we can see that there's no underline, but if we still click on the text, it's going to open up to Google again. So that is how you can add a clickable link to your Canva project on the Canva mobile app. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.